So this is a crawl space underneath a mobile home. They called saying their vent was disconnected. It was completely fallen apart from this point. It looks like they used regular black duct tape to hold it together, and then the temperature and humidity dried it out. So I'm going to use this little two-sided adapter. I am going to put it into this semi-rigid one. Make sure it's in there good, solid, not going anywhere. And then I'm going to use something that the people that installed this never heard of, and that's called a clamp. So I make sure everything is going to fit, get everything fitted up nice, and now I use my high-powered drill to connect the clamp, make sure it's on there good, it's not going to fall out at all. And now when I know that it's held on by the clamp, I am going to use this tape. This tape is just to seal in the vent so no air gets out. It's heat resistant dryer vent tape. This tape is not used to actually hold the vent together. It's just used to seal out the dust. So I put it on, make sure it's on there nice and neat. I know nobody's probably going to see this, but I still like to have my work nice and neat, even though no one's going to see it. So now I'm going to attach it to this rigid part. I'm going to put it in, make sure it's good. Clamp that down as well, make sure it's in there really well, and then now I'm going to use a little more tape just to seal it in and make sure it's not going anywhere, because when I'm done putting this back together I still have to clean it and I don't want it falling apart when I put my brush in, and I want this to last for years and years and have the customer be able to use their dryer. So I'm just putting my final pieces of tape, making sure it's nice and neat and completely sealed up. And then I had to clean the whole vent, clean the whole dryer, and the customer was extremely happy. This part of the vent was like 20 feet into the crawl space. It wasn't near the end, and it was difficult, but I got it done.